In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent background in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a simple yet useful skill, especially if you're working with PDF files frequently and want to make them more visually appealing, or just need to prepare them for some other specific use. Let's start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Go ahead and open the application, and once you have it in front of you, locate the PDF file that you'd like to work on. You can simply open it using the usual method of File and then Open, navigating to your file and selecting it. Once opened, you should see the content displayed on your main screen. Now shift your attention to the top left of Acrobat Pro DC. Here you'll find the Edit button. Clicking here will reveal a number of options. What we are interested in is situated within the section titled Add Content. You'll notice an option called Background. Click on this and you'll see another choice to either add or update. This section allows you to modify the background of your PDF, which is exactly what we need to do to achieve a transparent effect. Next, focus on the Source section. Here you'll see an option labeled From Color. Selecting this will allow you to choose the specific color that you wish to use for your background. If you are aiming for transparency, you might want to select a neutral color. Now remember, selecting the exact color might not make it transparent per se, but setting the right opacity level will do the trick. In the next step, which is crucial, you'll look into the Appearance section. Here you need to adjust the opacity setting. Opacity controls how transparent or opaque your color choice will appear. If you desire a completely transparent background, you would set the opacity to 0. However, if you just wish for a semi-transparent effect, try different levels to see what fits your needs. Finally, after you've adjusted the opacity to the desired level and chosen your color, you click on the OK button to apply your changes. Make sure you're satisfied with how the PDF looks now. You can always go back and adjust the settings if necessary. And there you have it. You've now learned how to make a transparent background in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. As you've seen, it's not a complicated process, just a matter of navigating through the tools available to you. This technique can significantly improve the versatility and appearance of your PDFs, so it's definitely worth mastering. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing.